Hello students, today we are going to continue with the third video of your chapter number 4, More on Word. In today's video, we will be learning about indenting text, changing line spacing, setting paragraph spacing, setting margins. Let us start with indenting text. Indenting text means moving your text either away from the margin or towards the margin. Now how will we do this? You can see there are two paragraphs typed by me. The first paragraph is red in color and the second paragraph is blue in color. Whichever text you want to do indenting with, you will first of all select the text. I selected the two paragraphs. Then I'll go to the home tab. You can see the home tab is already open. Here, just beside the numbering bulleting buttons, we have the decrease indent button and the increase indent button. As soon as I click on the increase indent button, you can see what happened. The difference between the margin and the paragraph increased. Okay, can you see that? Now I am going to decrease the indent size only with the second paragraph. See, this is the second paragraph. I will select the second paragraph and I will click on the decreased indent button. You can see in both the paragraphs, the space from the margin is different. Here the space is greater because I selected with increase indent option, and the second paragraph, the difference, the space is less because I went for the decrease indent option. If I select the first paragraph again and I click on decrease indent again, then I'll get my paragraph back with no change. So I actually selected both the paragraphs and clicked on decrease indent. Now both the paragraphs are at the same distance from the margin. This is how we do the indenting of the text. The next topic which we are going to learn today is how to change line spacing. Okay, so to change line spacing, let me just come to the paragraphs which I have typed for you. Here I have typed two paragraphs. Now we will be doing line spacing here. First of all, we will select the text. I will select the first paragraph. Then just below your indenting text buttons, you have line and paragraph spacing. When you will click on that, you will get some options. You can see what's happening when I'm going to different options. The space between the lines is increasing. Can you see that? Now here I'll go and click on the line spacing option. Okay, I'll click on the line spacing option. This is indent and spacing. I'll go to the spacing option and I can increase the line spacing here. It can be single, it can be 1.5 lines, double line or multiple. Let me go to double. I'll click on OK, and you can see between each two lines we have 2 line space. This is called as the line spacing. I can change it from here also. Just click and go to, this is the standard type. Then we have 1.15 line spacing, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3.0, or you can change it according to your own will by going into the line spacing options. Okay, if I make it multiple, then there will be many lines difference between two lines. So this is how we do line spacing. Okay, that was the second option which you learned today. The third point which we are going to learn today is how to do setting of paragraph spacing. Okay, how you can set the whole paragraph. So again, you have to select the paragraph. Then you will be going to the same button, line and paragraph spacing. You will click on that. You will get line spacing option, and spacing may you have before and after. You can change or increase the value. You can see the space between the lines at the starting of your paragraph will increase, and here it will change the bottom part. Can you see that? You will write OK, and you can see the space before the paragraph and after the paragraph has changed. This is how we can do the paragraph space setting. Now the last point which we are left with is to learn how to set your margins. Okay. For that, what will you do is you will go to the layout tab. Click on the layout tab, and here is your margins option. You will click on the margins and you can see different type of margins available. If I select on the one which I want, the margin will change. You can see I have selected the wide margin option, so the margin space is greater than the text space. I can change it again. Just go on to the margin option and click on the narrow button. This is the narrow margin. The margin is narrow over here. It's lesser than the wide margin. I can change it again. Just go for normal. This is the normal margin. So you can select the type of margin you want, or you can go for custom margins. You will click on custom margin, and here you have top, left, bottom, right. You can change it according to your wish. I made top margin 3 and the left margin I made it 2. The bottom margin again I made it 3, and right I'm making it 2. Okay, then I will click on OK, and the margin of the page has changed. It is customized according to the values given by me. This is how you can set the margins of your page. Okay, thank you. We'll be continuing with the last video in the next class. Thank you.